Yeah, I should be used to that. This is SoCal's all about. Shit. Woo! Just gotta send it on that one. Brake pad killer. Yeah! Yeah, it's fast. Downhill. Put these big fucking rocks out here. I think I got stung by a bee. It's happened before.
Oh, did it twitch you? Oh.
Sounds like I got flat.
Is your back okay?
Surprisingly, I think I'm okay.
Woo!
I don't know how it's gonna feel tomorrow.
Holy shit.
Fucking A.
Oh my gosh. You think they clear out some of those fucking rollers?
Yeah, it must have been a bee sting. I've reacted like that before. I don't know why I do that. It's just like a natural reaction.
Oh,
when you
just-
feel a bee sting, you want to swat at it.
Yeah.
Right there, I can feel it.
Damn.
Good thing I brought a full repair kit.
Oh shit.
I mean, adrenaline's great, but the bee sting hurts more than anything.
Does it?
So, we'll see in an hour.
Let me help straighten you out.
I'm good.
It looks like your handlebar.
Yeah. It's probably just turn back.
Yeah. How's that look?
I mean, it'll get me to the bottom. As long as I don't have a flat.
That's a little loose.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what tubeless is for, huh? Gosh. I've gone down that hard in a long time.
Woo! Damn, that is fast as fuck.
Yeah, I shouldn't have been going that fast on a warm-up run, I know that.
Oh, I felt sketch on this thing. This is my first run on this bike, but not being clipped in when you're going that fast.
Whew. I'm glad I wore these long sleeves now.
No
I was
shit.
thinking on the way up, I wish I was wearing something like you.
Oh, you'd see it though.
Saved my arm. I can feel I got some trail burn. Oh shit, I got that on camera. Nice to ride with somebody too, track with somebody, know what to expect tomorrow a little bit.
Yeah.
Because people will be like braking in weird spots and.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Oh yeah, shit. Brakes work still. Balls work still. Yeah, that's how I came back into the village. Exactly how you get back to the transition.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, maybe just turning down there.
Yep.
Oh shit. Yeah, it looks like going down this single track. Yeah, ride a little more cautiously tomorrow. Ugh.
Good work, man.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Hey, you too.
I'm gonna go get a beer and recover here.
Damn right. I gotta find my kiddos. I'll be looking
Have fun out there.
And what was your name again?
Kyle.
Kyle.
Kyle Knopf. If you wanna check the results out.
I'll be looking for you. We're staying here on the square. And
Cool. Yeah, you might see me come through tomorrow.
all right. Later, bud.
Later. Oh. Things right here. Sure look like it. It's okay to leave my bike here while I go get something to eat. Thanks.